Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options, and today trading is not gonna be an exception. I've prepared the following indicators. Let me show you. The first one is a fractal and the second one is stochastic oscillator. Before we get started, I want to change the settings on the stochastic. So we set the overbought zone to 70 and oversold zone 30. So how are we going to act? We are gonna open position with the trend, play out the pullbacks and corrections from the strong zones. I mean the support and resistance zones. So we also pay attention to the crossing of the moving average on the stochastic, as simple as said guys. Well, I'm gonna demonstrate all that in practice. Let's put down the maximum trade amount and let's get started and analyze the market. And I think it's time to open a short position, guys. So let me explain. If you look at the chart, we see the sideways trend is dominating here. The price entered this accumulation zone and the price updated its local high at this point. Previously, the price updated the local low here, and now the price should go down. After swaying the accumulation zone, we see the crossing of the moving average on the stochastic, and it's far beyond the overbought zone, so the rebound is inevitable. And yes, and the price is going down exactly as we expected. We need the candle to expire as low as possible, and let's wait. And the position had been closed in profits. We got almost $500 on the balance. Let's continue the trading session, and of course we update the trade amount. The only option here is to open a long position. It's simple. We can observe the sideways trend on the chart. I want to point out the support zone. Actually, it's a little bit lower, and the price should bounce from it and finally go up. Also, take a look at the stochastic. The moving average crossed, which means the upward dynamics is gonna take place. And there we go, exactly as I predicted. On the last second before the closing, the price broke out. Let's update the trade amount and we are gonna continue the trading session. I think it makes sense to open a long position here. Let me show you one more time. There was a strong downward dynamics here that the price updated its local low. After that, the local high was updated. I think the local low was updated at this level and the price is gonna go to the upside because price hasn't touched the overbought zone yet. And yep, just look at this huge pump. This is incredible. However, it was quite predictable. Let's wait for the outcome. And there we go. Another one is in profits. Good job guys, we got $1,300 on the balance. Let's continue the trading session. I guess price pullback should eventually happen here, so we content that. The price updated its local high at this level, after which the downward dynamics followed up, and I think the local low was updated here. In addition, I want to point out the support zone right at the level of our position entry. The touch has happened and the price is gonna bounce off. Also, we see the crossing of the oversold down on the stochastic, so the reversal is inevitable. And there we go, we're in a profit guys. That was really close. Anyway, I think this candle is gonna start the price pullback. Let's keep going, there is no stopping here. So look at this strong support zone at the bottom, touch of the oversold zone, he's having it on the other side. And let's open a long position. A little pullback is very likely to happen here. Here is the inception of the new candle. So where it's gonna go? After the strong jump, after the red candles, I think a small price pullback should take place. And our position is in profits again. We played out the price rebound perfectly. There is no stopping here. We're gonna continue the trading session. The downward dynamics dominates here. Recently the price updated the local high at the end, and at the same time we see the growth into the moving average on the stochastic. And let's open through long position here. If you won't be a mistake, that's for sure. And again we count on price pullback. Because we have the support zone right at the level of the trade entry, so the crossing of the moving average on the stochastic should be supported with a good price rebound. And just have a look at this massive pump, perfectly calculated. There are around 30 seconds left before the closing, and let's simply enjoy the beauty of trading, guys. Yep, guys, we end up in profits, and there are almost $6,000 on the balance. I think we open the final position and then we fix the profits. So the moving average at the bottom, the growth is about to happen, and at the same time we see the support zone here. That's why we open our long position, guys. The price is below the trade entry point, but it's fine. There are 40 seconds left before the closing. And here is the green candle. I think the price just updated its local low and now it's time for a pullback. Let's wait for the outcome. Exactly as we predicted, all the position end up in profits. We got almost $10,000 on the balance. I guess it's enough for today because the market is kind of unpredictable now, because it's almost a night. This strategy is not that complicated. We simply watch the growth of the moving average on the stochastic, and we also watch the touch of strong zones, I mean the oversold and overbought zone, and try to play out price pullbacks and corrections. That's it, guys. Now let's move to withdrawal. So let's withdraw, I think 9,600, and now I'm gonna put down the code, guys. Okay, press the continue button, and there we go. The withdrawal request hasn't sent. I'll tell you screen where it's done as usual. So guys, don't forget about the giveaway for my subscribers in every video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and be subscribed to my Telegram channel. I'll pick some winners in a few days. Try the strategy. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.